You became a school leader to shape young minds and build a community of lifelong learners. And what you end up doing most of the time is drowning in tedious reports or playing phone tag with parents. Feel that your school is juggling with too many software tools? It doesn't have to be like that. Kinderpedia brings together everything from admin work and classroom joy to chats with parents and handling of tuition fees. All student data is safely stored in the cloud. Carefully crafted staff roles provide both privacy and accessibility. With quick reports and smart dashboards, school leaders can make informed decisions and facilitate personalised interventions. Kinderpedia empowers teachers with smart classroom management tools right at their fingertips. With just a few taps, they can take attendance, grade students, schedule assignments, or revise them on their smartphones. This way, they save lots of time and get the chance to focus on what matters most. Because education is about more than just subjects and assignments, Kinderpedia supports teachers in making learning visible. Schools configure their curriculum on the platform, with clear learning goals and milestones for every cycle. Teachers observe, assess, and report students' progress from their laptop or smartphone. This way, the learning journey becomes more transparent and highly personalised. Forget once and for all about the headache of handling tuition fees. No more tedious cross-checks between Excel sheets, bank statements, and contracts. Kinderpedia manages all your tuition plans, making it a breeze to handle credits and deposits. It offers instant access to the family balance and allows parents to pay tuition fees directly within the app. Alleviate parental anxiety and turn families into partners in their children's learning experiences. With Kinderpedia's two-way communication and collaboration toolkit, parents are constantly updated on classroom activities, assignments, learning progress, events, and important school milestones. They have all the information they need at hand, and this gives them confidence. And it's not just us saying it, it's the enthusiastic feedback from our school partners that places us at the top of G2 and Capterra rankings.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Kinderpedia.
We would happily recommend Kinderpedia to other educational institutions.
I will recommend Kinderpedia for other schools.
With Kinderpedia by your side, you get all the time and support you need to do what you signed up for. Collaborate and innovate. Empower your teachers, build trust with families, and help our children learn and grow. Ready to work smarter and connect better with Kinderpedia? Let's talk.